Hi my dear students, in the previous videos we discussed the matrices. What is the definition of the matrix we discussed? So what is the definition of the matrix? The matrix is nothing but it is an ordered rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions is called as matrices, and matrix is the singular form and matrices is the plural form. We discussed in the previous videos, and this is the definition we discussed, and also we discussed what is rows and what is columns. So what is meant by rows? Then rows is nothing but here before that defining that, I'll take one example. So we discussed in the previous class the definition of the matrix. We discussed that already. I told any numbers, generally we can call it, here it is, any numbers or any functions writing within the bracket we can call it as the matrix, and matrix is the singular form and matrices is the plural form. If I write the only one matrix, and that we can call it as the matrix, and if I write more than one matrix then we can call it as the matrices. This is the definition we discussed in the previous videos, and also we discussed what is mean by rows. So this is the rows, here it is, and this we can call it as the columns. So rows means what I told you, it is rows means whatever in the horizontal lines constitute the rows and the vertical line constitute the columns. This also we discussed, and also we discussed how to write the order of the matrix. Yes, the order of the matrix is, here it is, rows. Now first we should write the number of rows, and next we should write it as number of columns. So therefore in this matrix, how many horizontal lines are there? 1 2. That is, how many rows are there? 1 2. 2 rows are there, and next that is how many columns are there? 2 columns are there. So therefore the order of the given matrix is 2 cross 2. So this we discussed, and also we discussed what we discussed. Also we discussed in a matrix, if a matrix is of the order m cross n, then that matrix will, if I take the any one matrix A, here it is, if this matrix is of the order m cross n, then this matrix will contain mn elements. Mn elements means what? The multiplication, whatever after multiplying this m cross n, whatever I am taking the product, that many number of elements will be that matrix will contain, if it is of the order m cross n. So these all are the information we discussed in the previous videos. Briefly I explain what we discussed. Further, if you need the whatever explanation you need means you can go through that previous videos. And in today's class, and also we discussed the exercise number 3.1. in that the theory questions we discussed, and today we are going to discuss the fourth question. So let's come to the fourth question. And before discussing the question, we also discussed here is, if a matrix, generally we will denote the matrix as Aij. So there, if we have, here it is, the generally any matrix is denoted by Aij. Aij means what it indicates? Aij means this is the element in the place where ith row and jth column indicates. Generally we will denote it as Aij. And also we see, if I wanted to write the matrix A, if I wanted to write the matrix of order 2 cross 2, if I want to write the matrix of order 2 cross 2, the general elements are like this: A11, A12, A21, A22. I am writing like this if the matrix is of the order 2 cross 2. So if my matrix is of the order 2 cross 2, then I will write like this, because we know that there are 2 cross 2 means what? In this matrix 1 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there. So this will indicate A11 means what it indicates? A11 means first row first column element, first row second column element, second row first column element. So therefore A subscript to 1, that is A21, and next it is A22 means what it is? Second row second column. So this, like this we are going to write generally if a matrix is of the order 2 cross 2. So if a matrix is of the order, if I want to write the matrix of the order 3 cross 3, so what will be 3 cross 3 matrix? I am writing here generally if the matrix is of the order 3 cross 3. So 3 cross 3 means what it indicates? 3 rows are there and 3 columns are there. So therefore then the elements will be like this: S A11, A12, A13. Next, this is the first row first element, first row second column element, first row third column element, and next here it is A21. A21 means second row first element, A21, A22, A23, and here it is A31, A32, A33. So this is the matrix of the order 3 cross 3 because 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there and 1, 2, 3. 3 columns are there. So therefore this is the matrix of the order 3 cross 3. Generally the elements will be like this. So now by knowing all this we will discuss next. So next the question given to you is, please remember the question is construct a matrix. This is the fourth question. As I told, this is the fourth question of your NCERT textbook, exercise number 3.1. So the question is fourth one. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A is equals to Aij. So construct, you should construct. It means that we should write the matrix of the order 2 cross 2. So 2 cross 2 means what it indicates? Whatever we are constructing, that matrix should contain the 2 rows and 2 columns. This is the meaning of the given question. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A is equals to Aij. Then the elements should be, always generally will denote the elements like this. A is equals to the matrix A is equals to Ij, whose elements are given by. So we should write the matrix of the order 2 cross 2. But there are 2 cross 2 matrix that should satisfy this condition. First condition is, this is the given to you. Aij is equals to I plus j whole square divided by 2. This is the first question. This is the second. Aij is equals to, the element should satisfy this condition. That is nothing but I by j. And this is Aij is equals to I plus 2j whole square by 2. First we will discuss the first one. So first one here it is, that is, or else we know that 2 cross 2 matrix will be, so how 2 cross 2 matrix will be like this. A is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the matrix of the order 2 cross 2. Yes, my dear students, what they told, we should construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. It means that we should write the one matrix. In that matrix, that should be contain 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns, because they only given that whatever you are constructing, that element, that matrix should be of the order 2 cross 2. So 2 cross 2 means what? 2 rows must be there, 2 columns must be there, and 2 rows like will be like this, and here it is 2 columns will be like this. So this is I am generally writing. But what they given to you? They given to you the condition. What is that? The element should be follow this rule. So what is it? It will act as a formula for while writing this. This will act as the like formula. So here it is. First I needed the value of this place element. I need this place element. So therefore A, first I write what is they given to you. Aij satisfies this condition. Like this. They only given to you. Ai plus j whole square divided by 2. So now I needed the A11 element. So A11 element I needed. So therefore in A subscript 11 means what? First row, first column element. But how they define? They define Aij should be satisfy this condition. This will act as I told, this will act as the formula. So therefore in place of I and j, here A11 place element I needed. So therefore I value I will take it as 1 and j value I will take it as 1. If I take I value as 1 and j value as 1, then I will go to the A11 element. Similarly, I will take next element that I will discuss later. So first I will take A11. So I value I am taking it as 1 and j value I am taking it as 1. So therefore substitute here this I value I am taking it as 1, j value I am taking it as 1. Why I am taking A11? Why I am taking I value as 1 and j value as 1? I am taking because A11 value I needed, because I am writing the 2 cross 2 matrix. They given to you construct. We should write the matrix of the order 2 cross 2 which satisfies this condition. So therefore I am writing I value as 1 and j value as 1. Now substitute I value 1 and j value 1 in this. We will get 1. I value is 1 plus 1 whole square whole divided by 2. So and this is equal to, just simplify this. We know that 1 plus 1 is 2 whole square whole divided by 2, and 2 whole square is nothing but 2. I am multiplying twice, that is 2 2s are 4. So 4 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So therefore A11 value in this place, the element we should the element as 2. We should put the element, that is we should put the element as 2, because the only A11 this condition should satisfy. I am writing the matrix, here it is, whatever elements A11 that should satisfy this condition. And similarly I'll write A12. So A12 I needed next element. So therefore in this formula I am substituting here this I value. I should put I value as 1 and J value as 2. Then I will get the A12 element. So in this I am substituting I value as 1 and J value as 2. So therefore 1 plus 2 whole square whole divided by 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3 whole square divided by 2. 3 3 is a 9 by 2. Like this we should write. And next, which element I needed? Second row first element, that is A21 elements value I needed. Whatever I wrote here this is the general, but I should write the first they given that Aij, whatever this will act as the formula. So whatever element satisfies this condition, that element we should find. So therefore next element is, that is A21 is equals to, I needed A21. Again here it is I value as 2 and J value as 1. So therefore 2 plus 1 whole square whole divided by 2. So 2 plus 1 is, we know that 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 whole square divided by 2. 3 3 is a 9 by 2. And next element is, I needed the A22 element. So therefore A22 is equals to, again I value as 2 and J value as 2. So therefore in the formula 2 plus 2, in the formula means in this particular case, so 2 plus 2 whole divided by 2. So therefore 2 plus 2 is 4. I needed second row second element. So therefore 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 whole square by 2. 4 4 is a 16 by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So therefore the A22 value is 8. And now they asked you to write their 2 cross 2 matrix they asked. So therefore the first condition, that is A is equals to, whatever we got the answer, that is A11 element, after substituting the values, whatever I am getting values, those values as you substitute here. This therefore A is equals to, what is A11 place we have the element 2, and next A12 element is 9 by 2, and next it is A21 element is also 9 by 2, and A22 element is 8. So therefore this is our matrix of order 2 cross 2. They given to you, right here it is. They given that write the construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A is equals to Aij, whose elements are given by. The elements will be like this. So this is the first condition, that is the first matrix of the order 2 cross 2 is these are the values I got. Like this we will construct the second one. I think there is you don't have any doubts. So please remember students, what I am doing, just I am writing, first I wrote here this. First I wrote in the 2 cross 2 matrix how will be the elements. This we discussed in the previous video, and that is the elements in generally the elements, if the matrix is of the 2 cross order, if the matrix is of the order 2 cross 2, then the elements will be like this: A11, A12, A21, A22. I am writing like this because first or second row there should be whatever you are constructing, that matrix order already they given to you, that is 2 cross 2. So therefore if the matrix is of the order 2 cross 2 means what it indicates? It indicates that whatever you are constructing, that matrix contains 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns means what? 1, 2. 2 horizontal lines should be there and 2 vertical lines should be there. Therefore I wrote like this. And the elements generally we know that A11, A12, A21, A22. I wrote like this, and after writing this they given that one condition. What is that? Aij should be like this. They should satisfy this condition. Therefore in these values here it is, whatever values I needed, A11 I needed, so therefore I am substituting I value as 1 and J value as 1, A11. Therefore I am getting, here it is I and J values I am substituting. After substituting these values I am getting the values. After getting all these values I will substitute in the given matrix. A11 value, whatever I got here, this A11 value is 2, A12 value is 9 by 2, A21 value is 9 by 2, A22 is 8. So these values I am substituting in this matrix. So therefore the given matrix is of the order 2 cross 2. The elements will be like that because this condition is satisfying. So these elements, these are the only elements satisfying this condition, I plus j whole square divided by 2. That is the answer for the first question. And similarly we will write the second one. So if you want to write it, or if you can pause the video and you can write the solution. And next we will go for the second one is also same, only the difference is here they given that Aij is equals to, the condition they given to you is I plus j whole square divided by 2, but in this second case they defined different ways, that is Aij should be like this, I by j, that I am going to discuss. Again the same procedure, only the difference is here I taken it as I plus j whole square divided by 2, but here I will take it as I by j. So therefore the second we are going to discuss, the second one is, here I am discussing this one, second condition. Again we know that, second condition, again we know that 2 cross 2 matrix will be, 2 cross 2 matrix will be like this, that is A is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. So this is of the matrix of the order 2 cross 2. So we are writing 2 cross 2 only because they only given that whatever you are constructing. This means, what is the meaning of the question? We should only construct the matrix, but they define the order. They define the order. Order means what? Construct means what? We should make the matrix of the order 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 means what? 2 rows must be there, 2 columns must be there. Such a matrix we should define, and how they are defined, that also they given to you. That should satisfy this condition. A is equals to I by j. So therefore next here it is, we know that 2 cross 2 matrix will be, generally we know this condition, 2 cross 2 matrix will be like this. Elements in the 2 cross 2 matrix, the elements will be like this, A11, A12, A21, A22. Why it is like this? That are discussed in the previous video. So again I'll explain. So A11 means what? First row first element will be this place element will be first row first element. So therefore A subscript 11, A11. This is A12 means what? First row second element. So therefore A12, and this is second row first element, second row first element. So therefore A21, and next here is second row second element A22. So therefore the elements will be like this. Is it? So therefore next I'll take here this should satisfy this condition given here it is. I'll write here it is given Aij is equals to I by j. I needed A11 element. I needed A11 element. So therefore in place of I, if I substitute 1, and in place of j if I substitute 1, I'll get it as A11 element. So therefore I value, substitute A value as 1 and j value as 1. So therefore I by j, how they define? I by j. So I value is 1, j value is 1. So 1 by 1. So 1 by 1, we know that 1 by 1 is value is 1. And next I needed the A12 element. So therefore A12. So A12 means in place of I should take it as 1, and in the place of j I should take it as 2. Just compare these two. A12 means what? I value as 1 and j value as 2. It means that first row the second element. So therefore I value as 1. Just if you can compare also, Aij is equals to, I needed the value A12. So therefore I value I am taking it as 1 and j value I am taking it as 2 in this formula. In this particular case you can take it as like as formula also. So therefore I by j. So therefore I value is 1, j value is 2, 1 by 2. And next I needed A21. So therefore A21 is equals to, again I by j. So what is I value? I will take it as Ij. I value must be 2 and j value must be 1. Just compare these two. Otherwise, if you are getting confused why I am writing A22 to A21, which one you are getting the element and which row you are taking or which column you are taking, if you are in confused, so directly take here this, compare this Aij as, compare this element and this element. Then you will easily come to know what should be I value and what should be the j value. So therefore A21 means I value should be 2 whole divided by, and j value should be 1, and 2 by 1 is equals to 2. I can write. And next here it is, next I needed A22 element. A22 means here it is I value has to also 2 and j value is also 2. So therefore I by j is equals to 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are. Both will cancel. You will get 1. Like this we should write. So therefore A will be, A is equals to, the 2 cross 2 matrix they told you to construct. So therefore A is equals to, what is A11 value? Substitute those values. Whatever we found here it is, A11 value is 1. A11 value is 1. A12 value is 1 by 2. A21 value is 2. A22 value is 1. So therefore this is the matrix of the order 2 cross 2 which satisfies Aij as, which defined the, or which they given to you as Iij is equals to I by j. So like this you can write. So please remember students, such type of questions will be asked in your board examinations. 1 mark question, very important. Direct question it will be. So directly they ask construct, like this the question they ask, construct a 2 cross 2 matrix, and they define the element should be like this. So very important in the board examinations. Definitely they ask such a questions. Either they will ask this question, or previous video we discussed if the matrix has 24 elements, what will be the possible orders, like that they will ask. So these are all the very important questions. And next we will discuss the third one. Third one is also similar type of question that we will discuss again. If you wanted to note, then please pause the video, then you can write, and I'll discuss the next third question, that is third one. This is also of the order 2 cross 2. So please remember, whatever I am constructing, these all are the under the same heading, that is construct a 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by only the elements, they are different. So therefore I am discussing for all these 3 questions, the matrix whatever we are constructing, that should be of the order 2 cross 2 only. And next, again third condition, again same procedure. We know that 2 cross 2 matrix, we know that 2 cross 2 matrix will be like this. That is the element, general elements will be obviously like this only, A11, A12, A21, A22 only. If you want, I'll erase once, I'll write again, because you may get confused. So therefore I am discussing the third question, that is A is equals to, the elements will be like this, A11, A12, A21, A22. I hope you understood this, why I am writing like this. A11 I am writing because first row first element, therefore generally A11, first row second element A12, and this is second row first element A21, second row second column, so A11 means first row first column, therefore A subscript 11, and this is first row second column A12, second row first column A21, second row second column A22, that is A subscript 22, and I am writing only these elements because they given to you 2 cross 2 matrix. So therefore the elements will be like this. And next again, the how they is defined, given, what they given, the elements should satisfy this condition. What is that? Aij is equals to I plus 2j whole square whole divided by 2. And next here is A, I needed the value, again A11 value I needed, A11 is equals to, I will take here it is I value as 1, j value as 1, I value as 1, j value as 1, substitute in this, so I plus 2j whole square whole divided by 2, and I value as 1 plus 2 into j value as 1 whole square whole divided by 2. I value as 1, j value as 1. I am taking I value and j value as 1 because I needed the value of A11. So in this if I take I value as 1 and j value as 1, then only I will get the value of A11. So therefore just I am substituting I value is here, it is I value as 1, j value as 1. Clear? So just substitute here, it is I value as 1 and j value as 1. So here Aij is equals to, here it is A1. I needed A11 value, so therefore A11 is equals to this, again the same formula I am writing. It will not a formula in this particular, while solving this question, in that case it will act as the formula itself. 1 plus 2j whole I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. So here I value I am substituting it as 1 and j value also I am substituting it as 1. So therefore I value 1 plus 2 into j value as 1. So and here it is whole square. This is 2 into j value is multiplication. Therefore I put in the bracket and whole square whole divided by 2. So therefore next 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 whole square whole divided by 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3 whole square divided by 2 and 3 whole square means what it indicates? 3 whole square means 3 into 3. 3 whole square means you are multiplying 3 twice. 3 3s are 9 whole divided by 2. So this is the A11th element. Again I needed the A12th element. I discussed this. Now I will take A12's values. So therefore A12 is equals to, again the formula I plus 2j whole square whole divided by 2. So therefore this is equals to I value it as, I value I should take it as 1, j value I take it as 2. So therefore 1 plus 2 into 2 whole square whole divided by 2 and this is equals to 1 plus 2 2s are 4 whole square whole divided by 2. 4 plus 1 is 5 whole square. 5 whole square by 2. 5 whole square is 25 by 2. 5 5s are 25. Like this. And remaining values here it is again. We should write here this. I needed A21 and A22. So next you can write or you can calculate A21 and A22. A21 and A22. Next here it is. I'll take it as I calculated A11 and A12. A11 and A12 I calculated. Next I'll take it as A21. So A21 is equals to, again the formula is I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. This is equals to, I means 2 and j value is 1. So therefore 2 plus 2 into 1 whole square whole divided by 2. So therefore this 2 is as it is, plus 2 into 1 is 2 whole square whole divided by 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 whole square. 4 whole square by 2 and this is equals to 16 by 2. 4 4 is 16 by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are. So therefore this is equals to 8. And next we should calculate the value A22. So A22 is, find out the A22 values. So A22 again I value is 2 and j value is also 2 here it is. 2j whole square whole divided by 2. So I value is 2. 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square whole divided by 2 and 2 plus 2 2s are 4 whole square divided by 2. So 4 plus 2 is 8. So 8 whole square divided by 2. So therefore 8 whole square is 8 8s are 64. Is it? So here it is. I think 2 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2 is, I think it is, sorry, 4 plus 2 is, it is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 whole square divided by 2 and here it is 6 is 36. 6 whole square is 36. 6 6 is 36 whole divided by 2 and 2 ones are 2 18s. Am I correct? Yes. So therefore the element of the order 2 cross 2 will be, here it is in this place I am substituting the values A11. So therefore A is equals to A11 value is 9 by 2 and next A12 value is 25 by 2 and A21 value is 8 and next A22 value is 18. So therefore my dear students, this is the matrix of the order 3 cross 3 where the elements will satisfy this condition. Like this you should write. Please remember this type of questions will be asked for your 1 mark question in the board examinations. There such a type questions will be there. And next we will discuss the inside textbooks. The next in the exercise 3.1, then the next 5th question we are going to discuss. So what is the 5th question then? I will write the 5th question. Fifth question is also same here, this construct, but the only the difference is there they given to you construct, they changed the order. So what is that then? So the construct, the fifth question I am going to discuss. The fifth question, construct a matrix, here it is, construct a 3 cross 4, construct a 3 cross 4 matrix, 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by. Here they only changed the, changed the order as well as the elements, and this is the construct. The fifth question, construct a 3 cross 4 matrix A is equals to Aij whose elements are given by. Then they changed the elements pattern, that is elements, they little bit they changed the elements. So in that, the first condition is Aij is equals to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j, and the second one is Aij is equals to 2i minus j. Yes, my dear students, whatever we discussed, like the same question, this is also the same type, but the only the difference is there they asked, but only the difference is there they asked of the matrix of the order 2 cross 2, but here I am going to write the matrices of the order 3 cross 4. So first again, as we discussed, we know that if the matrix is of the order 3 cross 4, so how many 3 cross 4 means, we should understood, or we should imagine that our matrix will be, the matrix should contain 3 rows, 1 2 3, 3 rows, and 1 2 3 4, 4 columns. So therefore I am writing here, it is, that is the first condition I am writing. We know that 3 cross 4 matrix will be, so 3 cross 4 matrix will be like this. How it is? A is equals to, we know that here it is, 3 cross 4 means 3 rows must be there, that is 1 2 3, 3 rows must be there, and here it is 1 2 3, here it is 4, or else 1 2 3 4. So here it is, you may get confused, I'll put it in terms of box only, otherwise you will get confused. So now you will understand easily. So what is that? They given that construct a matrix 3 cross 4. 3 cross 4 means what? 1 first row, second row, third row, and next first column, second column, third column, fourth column. 4 columns should be there, 3 columns, so sorry, yes, 3 rows must be there and 4 columns must be there. So such a type of matrix we should construct. This is the given meaning of the given question, and elements should satisfy this condition. What is that? Aij is equal to, the elements should be like this. So generally, and first of all I'll write the elements. So how will be the elements? Here it is, the first element is like this, a11, because first row first element a11, a12, a13, a14. First row first column element a11, and first row second column element a12, and first row third column, that is a13, first row fourth column a14. And next, how will be like this? This second, this element is, this place element is second row first element a21, a22, second row second column element, second row third column element, second row fourth column element, like this. And next here it is, this one is a31. A31 means what? Third row first column element, third row second column element, a32, a33, a34, third row fourth column. So like this we should write. It means that whatever I am constructing, that element should be, the structure of the element, the structure of the matrix should be like this. So why they given you, what is the application or what is the use of this matrix order they giving here? It is, they are giving the matrix order because to understand. So what we should understand? The structure of the matrix, how it will be. It means that how many rows are there, how many columns are there. To understand that, they given to you like this. So we know that if I wanted to construct any building, first what do we do? First we will take the blueprint, or if I want to frame the question paper, then also we will refer the blueprint of the whatever given to the board, that we are going to refer. Like this, whatever we are doing, first we should plan. So like that here. So what if I wanted to construct means there should be imagination, or there should be some blueprint like this. Here it will act as the blueprint. It means that what 3 cross 4 means, that will indicates if I wanted to construct the matrix of the order 3 cross 4, then in my mind I should understand, or I should imagine that yes, there should be 3 rows and 3, that is 3 horizontal lines must be there and 4 vertical lines must be there. Like this we should think. So that purpose they are giving the order of the matrix. So that is the application of the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix we are studying because to know that what will be the order or how looks the matrix, to understand that we are going to discussing this concept, that is order of the matrix, that already we discussed previous videos. Yes, come here students, and before that I explain once in Kannada. Yes, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏರ್ಪಾಡು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾರ್ಪಾಡೋದು, ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ, ಆ ರೀತಿ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 4 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 4 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ನೀವೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಟ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನೈತಿ, ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್ 2 BHK ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಹಾಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಕಿಚನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ, ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಂತಾದ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟುವಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ, 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 4. 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 3 ಅಡ್ಡ ಸಾಲುಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ 4 ಕಂಬ ಸಾಲುಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟುವಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ, AIJ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಎದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಇಟ್ಟಂಗಿಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಜನರಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಂಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, 2 ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ಕಿಚನ್ ರೂಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, 2 ಹಾಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಂಥ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದೇನು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೋಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೇನು, ಕಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಇಟ್ಟಂಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, AIJ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಂಥದ್ದಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 4 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. So this is the meaning of the given question. So I will explain briefly once. So construct under 3 cross 4 matrix ಅನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. 3 cross 4 matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ A11 A12 A13 A14 ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 4 1 2 3 ರೋಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಏನು 3 ರೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A11 ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೇನೆ, A11 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ A11 ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೇನೆ, A11 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ A ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ 11 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೇನೆ, A12 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ A12, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ A12 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ 13 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ A13 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು AIJ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತೇನೆ. ಸೊ AIJ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ AIJ is equals to half minus 3i plus j. And next I needed the value of A11. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು A11 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ A11 ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು I ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಮತ್ತು J ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. I ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಮತ್ತು J ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A11 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ I ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು J ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ A12 ಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ. A12 ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ? I ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 J ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ A12 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. Therefore I am taking as AIJ. First element I needed the values A11. So therefore I value I am taking it as 1 and J value I am taking it as 1. So therefore here it is, I will write it as A11. So here it is 1 by 2 modulus of, how they define the element should satisfy this condition, half minus 3i plus j. This we can call it as the modulus. Modulus means what? In the first piece we discussed it. So I don't need all those all that definition. Just I should understood that in the modulus whatever negative number is there or positive number is there, that if I have inside the modulus that number, then I take it as the positive only. So in this case we are taking that only that much. Yes, that have the different meaning. Modulus means a lot of meaning is there, but as of now I require only the meaning. In this case I am taking it as whether the inside the modulus, if it is negative or negative number or the positive number, I will take it as, lastly I will take it as that value as the positive itself. So therefore half minus 3i plus j, and this is equals to, just I will substitute the I value as 1 and j value as 1. So therefore half 1 by 2 into modulus of, this is nothing but modulus. Please don't be confused. Modulus like this. So therefore, and here it is half into minus 3 into I means I value is 1 plus j value is 1 modulus. Here it is, and here it is half into modulus of minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 1 is equals to half into modulus of minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 is equals to, and this is equals to half into 2, because minus, what I told, inside the modulus whether it is negative or positive I will take it as the positive only. So here it is minus 2 will become 2 and this 2 cancels, so the answer is equals to 1. Clear? Next come to A12. So here it is A12 is equals to half minus 3i plus j, half into modulus of, here it is minus 3 into I value I am taking it as 1 plus j value I am taking it as, here j value I am taking it as 2. This is equals to half into modulus of, this here it is minus 3 as it is, I value is 1, j value is 2. So I value is 1, j value is 2. Here I am substituting half into minus 3 into I value is 1, j value is 2. I value is 1, j value is 2. So therefore half into minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 2 is equals to half into modulus of, here it is modulus of minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, and that is equals to, minus 1 is again I am taking it as positive, so 1 by 2. So therefore this is A12, and next here it is A13. A13 is also 1 by 2 into minus 3i plus j is equals to 1 by 2 into minus 3 into I value is 1 plus j value is 3, and this is equals to half into minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus minus 3, here it is minus 3 plus 3 is minus 3 plus 3 is cancels, minus 3 plus 3, these two will get cancels, minus 3 plus 3 is 0 into anything is 0, like this question, right? And similarly we will calculate the A21, A22, A23 and A24. Like this you should calculate the remaining elements. And similarly we write the remaining elements a1 next here is a21. So therefore a21 is equals to half into instead of writing this formula directly I'll write the elements only, or else I'll write 3i plus j is equals to half into minus 3 into I value is 2 plus j value is 1. So therefore half into modulus of minus 3 to the 6, minus 6 plus 1 is equals to half into minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is equals to, and inside the modulus is there, so therefore I am taking it as plus 5. So therefore 5 by 2. And similarly we will take it as a22. So a22 is equals to half into minus 3i plus j is equals to half into minus 3 into I value is 2 plus j value is also 2. So therefore half into minus 6 plus 2 is equals to half into minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, but minus 4 will become plus 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So therefore value is 2. And next I am going to discuss calculate a23. So a23 is half into minus 3i plus j is equals to half into minus 3 into I value is 2 plus j value is 3, and this is equals to half into modulus of minus 6 plus 3 is equals to, and we know that minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3, and inside the modulus is there, so it is 3 by 2. Yes. And next we will take the a24. So a24 is equals to half into minus 3i plus j is equals to half into minus 3 into I value is 2 plus j value is 4. So therefore half into minus 3 to the minus 6 plus 4 is equals to, so what is that? Minus 6 plus 4 is half into minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2, is it? So therefore modulus of minus 2 is half into 2, so 2 to what cancels, this value is equals to 1. And similarly we should calculate a31, a32. So therefore a31 is equals to half into minus 3i plus j is equals to half into minus 3 into I value is 3 plus j value is 1. So this is equals to half into minus 3 3s are 9 plus 1. So this is equals to half into minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. And we know that half into modulus of minus 8 is plus 8, that is equals to, it is 2 ones are 2 fours are. So therefore the value is, answer is 4. And next here is a32. So next I needed the a32 value. So a32 is equals to half into modulus of 3i plus j is equals to half into modulus of minus 3 into I value is 3 plus j value is 2. So therefore here it is half into modulus of minus 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is equals to half into modulus of minus 9 plus 8. So minus 9 plus 8, in this minus is bigger value, 9 is bigger value, so that sign we should take. So minus 9 plus 2 is minus 9, here it is 9 8, that is 7. So therefore my modulus of minus 7 is half into 7. So therefore 7 by 2. And next we should calculate a33. So a33 element. So a33 is equals to half into 3i plus j is equals to half into minus 3 into I value is 3 plus j value is also 3. So I value is 3, j value is 3, because I needed the value of a33. So therefore half into minus 3 3s are 9 plus 3. So therefore this is equals to half modulus of minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6, minus 9 plus 3, and next here is inside the modulus is there half into 6 and 2 ones are 2 threes are, so therefore that value is 3. And similarly the last element is a34 is equals to half into minus 3i plus j is equals to half into, again I value 3, j value 4, so therefore minus 3 into 3 plus 4 is equals to half into modulus of minus 3 3s are minus 9 plus 4, so therefore this is equals to half into modulus of minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5, and therefore minus inside the modulus is there, that will become 5. So 5 into 2 is 5 by 2. So therefore these are all the values we calculated. So therefore if the matrix here is, if the matrix is of order 3 cross 4, then these are all the elements, and these all values I'll substitute here, and whatever I get, that is the our required elements here. I hope you understood. So I'll write here this all these values. I'll write here this. There is no space, so therefore in below this only I am going to write. I think it's clear. So I needed the values of all these, so therefore I calculated a11 value, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a24, a31, a32, a33, a34. All these values are needed, and that all values can be calculated whatever they defined. They defined a as a like this. So therefore these are all the values I discussed. That is, I mean, I solved that all those. So those values, therefore I should write all those values in place of this. But there is no space, so therefore I will write below of this only. So therefore, here it is. Therefore, a is equals to, here it is, a11 value is 1, a12 value I got it as 1, a13 value is 0, a11 value is, in place of this I am writing a11 value is 1, a12 value is, sorry, it is 1 by 2, a12 value is 1 by 2, a13 value is 0, and next a14. Where is a14? I think a14 we didn't calculate it. Is it? Yeah, a14 I didn't calculate, that I calculate a14. So a14 value is, please hear this, a11 we calculated, a12 we calculated, a13 we calculated. Unfortunately I didn't calculate a14. Now I will calculate a14 is equals to minus 3i plus j is equals to half into modulus of minus 3 into I value is, here it is 1 plus j value is 4. Is it? Yes, j value is 4. Find it a14. So therefore this will become half into modulus of minus 3 plus 4. So minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So here it is 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So therefore here it is 1 by 2. This is a14. Sorry, I didn't calculate a14, but now I calculated a14 value. That is 1 by 2. Yes, whatever we calculate these values, I am substituting here. It is. So therefore, here it is a is equals to, here like this. We should, I'll write. Just I'll substitute the values. So please see here, students. So here it is. Just I am substituting the values. A11 value is 1. That way I erase it. Those values are substituting. Next A21. So A21 value is 5 by 2. A21. A22 value is 2. A23 value is 3 by 2. A24 value is 1. And next here it is A31 value is 4. A32 value is 7 by 2. A33 value is 3. A34 value is 5 by 2. So therefore, my dear students, the 3 cross 4 matrix which satisfies this condition is nothing but this is the required matrix. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 3 cross 4. This is the matrix of the order 3 cross 4 and the elements will be like this. Yes, I hope you understood all this. And next, in the next class, we are going to, in the next video, we are going to discuss the next question. And this is the similar type, so work it as, this is for you. So practice purpose. So please try to practice this one. If you can't able to solve, so please comment. I'll discuss that also in the next video if you want this. Yes. In today's class, just we discussed the elements. That is the third, fourth, and fifth questions we discussed, and remaining we are going to discuss in the next video. Thank you.